Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at a similar problem as today's daily challenge problem. So this problem is 1003. Check if word is valid after substitutions. In this video, we're going to practice the string replace method. First, let's look at the problem statement. Given a string s, determine if it's valid. Here, a string s is valid if starting with an empty string. So we can transform t into s after performing the following operations any number of times. In other words, we want to insert this string abc into the state of string t, right? So we want to return true if s is a valid string, otherwise return false. So here are three examples. In example 1 and 2, the returns are true, and in example 3, the return is false. So here, we have ABC, but we have a CBA, right? This is not right. So here, the additional assumptions are the following. First, the length of this string s can be up to 2 times 10 to the power 4. So this number is a decent large one, I would say. Secondly, s consists of letters A, B, C, right? So this is the all unique letters in the string s. So this problem actually can be solved by a number of ways. And in this video, we're going to practice the string replace method. So this method actually returns a copy after we replace the old string with a new string in s. So here, the optional variable or argument count means how many instances occurrences of the old strings we want to replace. So if we do not specify it, it's going to replace all the instances. So another thing in this problem actually is that if s is valid, so we can actually revert back s to be an empty string. So basically, you can do an simple contradiction argument, right? So for example, if it were true, so there must be a ABC inside the string as a substring, right? Then we delete that one or replace that one with empty string. Then we can continue this procedure. That's also what we are going to do using the replace method. So here, let me write one. So while s, basically if s is not empty, so we're going to check if this substring abc is in s. If abc not in s, right, then we're going to return false. In other words, s is not a valid one. Otherwise, we're going to update the state of s. So we're going to update, let's see, s equals s replace. So we're going to replace abc with the empty string, right? Then afterwards, if we exit the while loop, and if we haven't returned, so we should return true, right? Basically, we want to return true. So here, and better, we can return if s is empty. So it means that s is a valid one. So we can return not s, right? Let's first test this case. It passes one case. Now let's look at the generic case. It passes all the cases. So we can actually, let's do this. We can check this. So, but because we have written this while loop, so if nothing has returned after this while loop, we must return true. But let's return not s. Same thing. But the above one I feel is better. So let's comment this one. So this is the one way of writing this solution. So here, let me copy this part, this function signature, and let's write another one just to modify a little bit so that we know or we understand the while loop or the logic. So here we can directly write this condition. Well, this condition ABC in S, right? If ABC in S, we are going to update S by this, right? Then we're going to up to some stage, so we need to just return not s, right? In other words, if s is empty, then it means s is a valid one. Otherwise, it's not. So now let's do a check. Yeah, it passes a test case. Now let's look at the generic case. Yeah, it passes all the generic cases. So yeah, basically for this problem, this is one line. We can make it one line if we like. Basically, we practiced the use of replace method for string, right? So you can actually think up other solutions. For example, write a solution of your own from scratch. That's also a lot of fun. So with that said, basically we finished this video. Thank you.